Good morning, Tehmina Khan is here in TKMaths is Fun. In today's video, which is video number 8 on HCF and LCM word problems, real life application. So now in the last video, we have seen all the cases of LCM. Now in this video, there are two questions on word problem on HCF and one is a challenge. Now the level is getting advanced and this is the last video on HCF and LCM. So let's start with question number 1. Two wires are 12 meter and 16 meter long. So if I want to visualize, suppose this is the wire which has a length 12 meter and this is another wire which has a length 16 meter. And the wires are to be cut into pieces of equal length. So whatever length you will cut from this wire, same length you will cut from this wire. This is the meaning of the question. So what is the maximum length of each wire you can cut from here? So this type of question, of course you apply highest common factor because the maximum length you can get from here. So let's see here. We have already seen the method how to find out highest common factor using the division method. So 2, 6, we always start with the smallest number. So 2, 6 are 12, 2, 8 are 16. Again, I can cancel it by the table of 2. 2, 3 are 6, 2, 4 are 8. Now I cannot cancel it by the table of, by any table which can cancel 3 and 4 together. 3 is a prime number. So highest common factor is what? 2 times 2. Which is 4. So 4 meter is the maximum length which can be cut from each wire. So you will cut the pieces of 4 meter. Maximum length of each piece. Now my question to you, what is the meaning or interpretation of these two numbers which are 3 and 4? What are they representing? Because if I change the question or I ask you, how can you change the question so that 3 and 4 are the answer of those? Can you think of it? I'm challenging you now, little advanced, because these questions are also there. Okay, so basically this 3 is coming as an output from 12. It means the wire which has a length 12 meter can cut into 3 pieces and each will have length 4 meter. This is the meaning of it. And this 4 is an outcome of 16. It means this wire can cut into 4 pieces which will have, each will have length 4 meter. So this is the meaning of it. So if question had asked you one more thing here, and that is what will be the number of pieces cut from each wire, then you will say here that the wire which has a length 12 meter, we can cut 3 pieces from there, each of length 4 meter, and the wire which has a length 16 meter, from that wire 4 pieces can be cut out, each of length 4 meter. Got it? So each number you get has certain meaning. This is how questions are made challenging. Now let's see this one. Rachel has 24 red candies and Maya has 18 green candies. They want to arrange the candies in a way that each row contains equal number of candies. So they want to make rows here, 1 row, 2 row, I don't know how many, I'm just making roughly, right? But each row will have equal number of candies. And also each row should have only red. So if there are red candies, then there are only red candies. If there are green, then there are only green. But each row has equal number of candies. What is the greatest number of candies that can be arranged in it? So when again it is asking you the greatest number of this, again it is a case of HCF. So I will take HCF here of 24 and 18. Number is even, so I will start with the smallest. Number 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18. 9 doesn't come in the table of 2, so now I will go to 3. 3 4s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Okay, so this shows that the highest common factor is 2 times 3 is 6. It means in each row there will be 6 candies, right? 6 candies. What is the greatest number of candies that can be arranged? So 6 candies can be arranged in each row. You will write the statement completely, right? Because you are explaining the meaning of each number. Okay, what is the meaning of this 4 and what is the meaning of this 3? 24 were red candies and 18 were green candies. It means there will be 4 rows of red candies and there will be 3 rows of green candies. So if question asked you one more thing, how many rows of green candies and red candies you can make, this is the way you will explain. I hope you understood. Now let's see this question. It is a challenge. So I'm giving you 1 minute or 2 minutes. Think of it, then I'll start explaining. You can put the video on pause. Meanwhile, I'm explaining here. Okay. Once you finish application yourself, then you can see the video. And every child has a right to challenge his thinking. Only then you can get better in mathematics application and reasoning skills. Let's see here. Mary is organizing a charity hot dog sale. There are 18 bread rolls. So first of all, let's visualize this problem. This is one bag or packet, sorry. This is one packet, right? And there are 18 breads in it. And then there is another packet which has 15 hot dogs in it. Now it is understood if Mary buys exactly the same number of bread rolls as hot dogs, what is the smallest number each packet that Mary can buy? Now what is happening? Of course, if you are making bun or burger, one hot dog will be used in one bread. Yes or no? So right now in this packet there are 18 breads and in the other packet there are 15 hot dogs. So if you make burgers here, you can make only 15. So 3 breads will be left behind. So the question is saying Mary buys exactly the same number of bread rolls and hot dogs. So how many packets of this she will buy and how many packets of this she will buy so that she can make equal number of burgers. Right? You understood the point here. So what comes in your mind? Okay. So the thing is, first of all, we need to know exactly how many burgers she can make, right? Burgers word I'm using myself just to tell you that bread and hot dog will together make a burger. Okay, 18 and 15 starting with the smallest number. 2 9s are 18. It doesn't come. Then go with 3. Then again go with 3. Then with 5. So what is the least number of she can make together breads and hot dogs? 2. Oops, why is it not writing? 2 into 3 into 3 into 5. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 5s are, I think 90. Let me check. 18 times 5 is, yes. So altogether it is 90 she can make, right? If she has exactly same bread and hot dogs, it should be 90. Then how many packets of bread she will buy? and how many packets of hot dogs he will buy. What comes in your mind now? This is the challenge here. So now you have to divide 90 by 18 and you have to divide 90 by 15. Then you will know exactly. So you need to do division here. How can you do it, by the way? 2 9s are 18, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 9 1s are 9, 9 5s are 45. So she can buy 5 packets of bread. Yes. And what about hot dogs? 3 5s are 15. 3, let me use some other color. 3 5s are 15. 3 3s are 9. 5 1s are 5. 5 6 are 30. So she has to buy 6 packets of hot dogs. So you understood this question. It is not just a question of HCF and LCM straightforward, but first you are applying LCM and then division to answer the question. So this is the challenge in it. Think carefully. Things you know it. You just have to make connections here. Agreed? Thank you very much for watching it. Please press like and subscribe button and share it with your friends. Take care. Allah Hafiz.